Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Nidhi and today's video is about eyelashes. Eyelashes traditionally we apply using a glue on the band and then we stick it on eyes. But if you're somebody like me who messes up with the glue, who has the glue all over the eyelid, who has the glue on the eyelashes and doesn't know how to get rid of this, then this is a video for you. I've received a beautiful pair of eyelashes from BelleChloe and these are gorgeous. If you can see me wearing them, you can make out. These are such a gorgeous pair of eyelashes. These are magnetic lashes. So the biggest fear of having glue all over the eyelid on the eyelashes is being taken care of when you wear a magnetic lashes. Some magnetic lashes have another issue that you have to wear an eyeliner, then the magnetic band of that eyelash will go and click it on it. And if you're not somebody who can draw perfect eyeliner, then you won't be able to wear eyelashes, right? But this problem, my dear friends, has also been taken care by BelleChloe. They have come up with an excellent idea of magnetic lashes, how to wear them without any mess, without any worries of eyeliner. So I will show you an in-depth tutorial how to wear magnetic lashes. I would show you how easy they are. I would also discuss with you at the end of the video pros and cons of having a beautiful pair of magnetic lashes. And if you want to own one of the magnetic lashes, that link is in the description box and they are offering a 10% discount. The code is there on the screen. You can go ahead and enjoy it. And now let's move on to the video. These magnetic lashes come in this cardboard box. This is of black color to keep them safe. And then you open up to have this box again. You can see the professionalism they've given up in this packing, that nothing get damaged. After you open this box, there's another box. This is a beautiful plastic box, but this is highly glossy kind of a box. You can see how luxurious this look, and let me open it to reveal how gorgeous the eyelashes are. This side has a mirror which will help you while traveling to wear these eyelashes. To wear these eyelashes, they have given us an applicator, which is a metal applicator which has been secured in this plastic wrapper. And they have also shared a small manual with you which will help you to wear the eyelashes perfectly, but you don't have to read this because anyways I'm going to demonstrate it for you. So now let's get into the demonstration how to wear these eyelashes. The first few steps of wearing eyelashes, be it the traditional ones where you apply a glue on the band and keep it on your eyelash, or the magnetic lashes where you apply eyeliner and then click it on it, or these ones are absolutely same. You have to prepare your eyelashes, that is, you have to curl them, coat them with mascara, and then you have to apply them. Otherwise what happens is your natural eyelashes will be peeping downwards, the magnetic or any false lashes will be all curled up, dolled up, and there will be two layers on your eyes, which will look awkward. So avoid this. Always prepare your eyelashes, be it any false lashes you're going to wear. These eyelashes have two parts to wear. One is a long band which you can see here, and these small ones. This will click them beneath it. To make it really understandable, let me start the process of wearing it. You'll pick up the eyelashes like this, place it where you are comfortable and you want them to be. Like so. You don't have to be perfect. Once you're happy with the placement of the eyelash, you don't have to blink your eyes. Now quickly we'll pick up the small parts of the eyelash and we'll clamp them underneath. Let me show you how. Since both the part had magnet, you don't have to worry where it will be clicked. It will be automatically pulled by the magnetic field and they will click it and they'll be secured on the place. Now let me do the other parts and be back. Aren't they gorgeous? If you're interested to get one of the pairs for yourself, go and get the link in the description box. And again, the discount code is there on the screen. You can go ahead and enjoy. This code will be workable for all my subscribers in US and Canada. Now let's move on to the pros and cons of these eyelashes. Before I move into the pros and cons, I would love to state these eyelashes are so easy to wear. I have tried it yesterday. I was wearing it for a couple of hours, I didn't feel that heaviness which happens with the glue of false lashes. This is such an easy, comfortable wear, lightweight eyelashes. So let's first discuss the pros of these eyelashes. Pros of these lashes are, as I said, they're lightweight. You don't feel you're wearing anything on your eyelids. Second, there will be absolutely no glue on your eyelashes, on your eyelids. You don't have to worry about the residual, how to clear it, how to get rid of it. Third, if you're somebody like me who loves to wear eyelashes almost every other day, then these are quick and easy way to wear. You could see how the magnetic field automatically clamped the eyelashes and they were right on the place. So this is a quick and easy way of wearing false lashes for the whole day. So this is one of the best part of these eyelashes. Now the cons. Everything about these eyelashes is absolutely 10 on 10, other than one small point which I wish the manufacturer can work on. Other than if you're somebody who is clumsy like me, who doesn't keep things on place, who doesn't take care of their things, then there could be a problem. These small clamps, they are not been sold as in spare part or as separately. If you lose them, then your eyelash set is absolutely wastage. That means you have to be very careful with the spare part. You have to be very careful with the false eyelash band. You have to keep everything intact, and for that purpose too they have made the case which is magnetic. As soon as you'll bring up the eyelash close to it, it will be clamped on the box. So everything about these eyelashes has been carefully meticulated, have been looked on, have been professionally made. So my recommendation for these eyelashes is yes, you should go and get one of the pairs. And if you want to know anything else about these eyelashes, you can leave a comment in the comment box. I would love to answer them, and if I've missed something, you can ask me. I'm always there for you. And this comes to the end of this video, and until we meet next, as I always say, keep on practicing makeup. Take care. Bye bye.